Hello, I am Sarah McConnell, and today I will be demonstrating the front snap kick combination. First, you will want to get into a very good front stance, guard up, and front tuck, kick, put down. As you practice this, make sure that you pull your toes back as you kick so you don't kick with the tips of your toes. Came from the side. Tuck, kick, set down. Tuck, kick, set down. Tuck, kick, set down. And I would like my assistant Della, please come here. And as you practice, it is good to start out with just doing a single kick. And first, just try to find your target, like so. And then you can go a little faster and harder. And then you can start doing two kicks as for practice. 1, 2. 1, 2. Just tuck, kick, tuck, kick. Thank you, Tom. And that is how you do the front snap kick combination.